Hi, let's have a quick inspection of the ms170 Stihl chainsaw. In the front you have your bar oil. It lubricates the chain. Mine is full. You use this inside. Tighten it down. At the back you put in your fuel with your 2-stroke mix. This one. 100 milliliters on 5-liter fuel and you're done. Tighten it down. Let's quickly see the air filter assembly. First of all, pull in your throttle, push the choke all the way down, take your bar wrench, undo the top cover, and you have it. There's your air filter. This one is nice and new. That's the air box inside, spark plug, pull wire, coil. This you can see the inner workings of the choke. Engaged, disengaged, off. Take your filter. Almost. Here again. There's 2 holes in the front. Make sure they align. Pump it down, tighten down your bar, check the switch, 1 up. If it moves freely, you know that the cover is in the right position. Chain brake off, chain turns freely, chain brake on, chain does not turn. Okay, let's quickly go through a startup procedure. So the machine has been standing. Gonna pull the throttle in all the way, full choke until it's at the bottom. Now you're gonna pull on the pull cord. Always make sure the brake is on. Actually, you have to put your foot here. I'm just gonna do this for illustration. You have to do this on the ground. We're gonna pull on it until it does that. That does not mean it's gonna run. That's only like a pre-ignition. Then 1 up, not all the way, just 1. Now we're gonna put it and it should start. Once we started it, we're gonna blip the throttle to get that to be in the normal run position. Otherwise it's gonna run on high idle the whole time. So the chain brake is engaged and go. That's ms170. This one is about brand new. I've not used it much. As you can see, the chain is brand new, the bar is brand new. It is a bit dirty. In the front you can see where it's made, serial number, model, chain type. It's a Pico chain. Excellent small saw, starting, doing around the home, cutting, cleaning up, 100%. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.